What if the dinosaurs never saw it coming? A giant object was racing toward Earth, and nobody knew what was about to happen.
It was nearly 12 kilometers wide. It crossed space at incredible speed. Earth was directly in its path. The asteroid entered the atmosphere. It became a blazing fireball above the planet. Below, the dinosaurs carried on as usual.
Then everything changed. The asteroid struck near modern-day Mexico, and Earth absorbed the unimaginable impact. The ground exploded beneath the collision. A massive crater formed almost instantly. But the worst effects were still coming. The ancient ocean was violently disturbed. Enormous waves raced away from the impact. Coastal ecosystems were hit first. Then debris began falling from the sky. The atmosphere filled with intense heat, and fires started spreading across Earth. But fire wasn't the biggest threat. Dust and sulfur were rising into the atmosphere. Soon, sunlight itself would disappear. The planet began growing darker and colder. Plants struggled without sunlight, and the food chain started breaking apart. Herbivores began losing their food. Then predators began losing their prey. The collapse was spreading through every level. But the oceans weren't safe either. Tiny organisms began disappearing from marine food webs. Larger creatures soon felt the consequences. Now came a crucial difference. Large animals needed enormous amounts of food. Smaller creatures could survive on much less. Some mammals could hide underground. They survived on whatever food remained. Their small size suddenly became an advantage.
Then came an incredible twist. Some dinosaurs actually survived. Their descendants still fly above us today.
But the giant dinosaurs were disappearing. T-Rex and Triceratops were among the victims. Their 160 million year reign was ending. Entire ecosystems vanished with them. But extinction left something unexpected behind. Empty worlds waiting for new survivors. Then the darkness slowly began fading. Sunlight returned to Earth's surface, and damaged plants started growing again.
Surviving mammals entered new environments. They found opportunities left behind by dinosaurs. A completely different world was forming.
Millions of years began passing. Mammals became larger and more diverse. Evolution was moving in new directions. One lineage took a remarkable path. Early primates appeared in ancient forests. But how do we know any of this happened? The answer is hidden inside rocks. Scientists found a strange layer worldwide, and it contained an extraordinary clue.
The layer contained unusually high iridium levels. Iridium is rare in Earth's surface rocks, but asteroids can contain much more. Then scientists found something even bigger. A gigantic buried crater lay beneath the Yucatan. Its name was Chicxulub. Most of the crater remains hidden underground. Rock and sediment cover its enormous structure, but its geological fingerprint survived.
The timing matched the extinction event. The crater matched the suspected impact. Suddenly, the mystery made sense. Around 75% of species disappeared, yet life itself survived. And something unexpected happened next. Birds carried the dinosaur lineage forward. Mammals expanded into new habitats. Evolution began reshaping the planet. Millions more years passed. New mammal groups continued to diversify. One branch eventually led toward humans. The asteroid didn't create humanity. It changed the world our ancestors inherited. Without that impact, our story might be completely different. One asteroid ended the age of giant dinosaurs. It transformed the future of life on Earth, and its consequences are still around us today.